Do you agree that the best way to learn about AI is maybe by talking to a human who built it? It's true that since the pandemic, we got used to everything virtual, online learning, Google search, using ChatGPT to get all the answers. But the fact is that our brains as humans in the course of evolution didn't really change that much, and the best way for us to learn is still to experience something in person, or to learn from another human who could help us understand all these new technologies and their practical applications. Especially that is true for AI, one of the most rapidly developing trends today. AI is the only field of innovation where technological breakthroughs happen not in a matter of years, not in a matter of months, but in a matter of days. Maybe that is why Elon Musk and other players had to sign that letter to pause more advanced developments of AI for 6 months. And being one of the most prominent leaders in your industry, you definitely don't want to miss something that important that can critically affect your future tomorrow. And you want to stay on top of this game, right? The truth is that most business leaders today still don't fully understand what AI means for their business and what AI could do for your business and how your business can benefit from AI. Most of us still have quite mixed feelings about AI. Some of us get suspicious or skeptical about it. Some people get scared, but most of us just get confused and think this is not quite right for our business just yet. We may prefer to wait and see what others do with it and watch them fail. And many of us just prefer to ignore it, hoping it is just a temporary trend that will go away. But deep inside, we all understand that AI is here to stay and that the world has changed permanently and there is no way back. As from now on, things will start to unfold only faster. And as business leaders, we can't just ignore it. We have to do something about it. So the sooner you accept the new reality that AI is here to stay and to disrupt your business, to go after you and your company personally, and that your workplace and your business will inevitably get disrupted by AI, the faster you can start playing offense instead of just sitting and waiting for your business to be killed by AI. The only question is, how much time do you have to figure out the right strategy and what will be your action plan for AI? The ways how business leaders learn about AI today vary. Some of you are catching up by following updates on LinkedIn or on Twitter, reading online articles or reports, watching YouTube videos, talking to your colleagues and friends about AI, attending business conferences and events. And while some practical applications of AI are rather easy and quite entertaining, we all tried playing with ChatGPT and it was fun. But when it comes to exploring all other more complex applications of AI, as we now have hundreds and thousands of those, unfortunately, most times, even after reading a ton of information and listening to a ton of podcasts, leaders often end up getting even more confused and more worried, and even getting overwhelmed when you realize that internet doesn't actually help you to find clear answers to your questions on what specifically you should do about AI and how to navigate all this noise that is so scary, so confusing, and doesn't quite make sense. And you still wish that some tech AI expert would just sit down with you face to face and explain it to you in a very simple way, and provided clear examples and use cases for your business, answered all your questions, and helped you put together the right strategy for AI so you could get more confidence as a business leader. And it could help you to provide this clarity for your people. What if I told you that there is a better way to discover AI and to make sense of it? What if I told you that you can learn about AI faster, better, cheaper, with less effort, so at the end of the day you could feel relieved and confident about AI and have a clear vision that you could share with your team? Today, I will share with you one of the best ways to learn about AI and keep up with all the numerous trends and updates that are coming up every day. I am Tatiana Indina. I'm a CEO and founder of Indina Consulting and Mission to Mars Academy. I've helped hundreds of corporate executives and global leaders to discover innovation and learn about new technologies by meeting genius entrepreneurs, prominent investors, and high-tech company leaders in the heart of global innovation in Silicon Valley. And I've seen many of our participants transformed from being skeptical and confused to getting super excited and relieved because they were finally able to clarify their vision about AI, to make sense of all those new technologies, to finally find monetizable practical applications of those new tech solutions for their business, and had their mindsets transformed. Our tour participants, executives, and business leaders were leaving inspired and motivated as they were able to finally build a clear action plan and a working strategy on what to do with AI and all other innovations and how to implement them in their business. And all that was possible thanks to our technology discovery tours and programs, the unique 2 or 3 day transformational programs where you get to meet the most insightful founders and creators of new technologies who are building the future today. Just imagine, with a group of like-minded innovators and AI enthusiasts, you will be descending at the heart of Silicon Valley, a place that is still a home for majority of AI startups. At our eye-opening AI Discovery Tour, you will get a chance to visit groundbreaking companies, watch the mind-blowing tech demos, get inspired by founders' success stories, get all your questions answered, find practical applications of new tech for your business, and be able to figure out how to reach your business goals faster with AI. AI Discovery Tour will have a transformational effect on your mindset and your business. And that effect will be reached because of the 4 main ingredients that make all our innovation programs so efficient. And those 4 ingredients are: first of all, knowledge that you will receive firsthand from the founders who are building revolutionary AI solutions today. In the course of our program, you will be attending company presentations, hear expert consultations that will connect all the dots for you, address all your pain points, and answer all your most burning questions. The second ingredient are practical insights that you will get from watching all the exciting tech demos and trying out and experiencing in person the new tech solutions and applications. The third ingredient is inspiration. Inspiration that you're gonna get from visiting all those game-changing companies in person and diving into unique culture of innovation of Silicon Valley. Inspiration from hearing real-life stories of tech and business geniuses who are disrupting the world with AI today. And the last but not least, you will build the connections and relationships with some of the top AI experts, as you will be meeting with top 15 most revolutionary AI startups, most prominent investors and experts in the field of AI, who you can continue working with and partnering with after the program is over. And you would ask me, how can you get access to all those amazing companies and all those great insightful people who will open the black box of AI for you? And I will tell you, it is very simple. Just join our forthcoming AI Discovery Tour to Silicon Valley. And don't miss out on this unique opportunity to become one of those first early adopters who would get this unique educational experience and have a chance to discover and learn all the new AI trends directly from the source, firsthand from the insiders of Silicon Valley. And at our Corporate Innovation Silicon Valley Discovery Tours, you can learn not just about AI, but also a variety of other new technologies. blockchain, robotics, VR, AR, IoT, and all other new technologies, as well as their practical applications for your industry. Our next AI Discovery Tour in Silicon Valley will take place this September. It will take 3 days and we only have a few spots left. So, if you don't want to miss this train to the bright AI future, where your business is benefiting from implementing AI instead of being killed by it, you don't have any time to waste. Jump in on this unique opportunity, as we will only do this program a couple of times this year. So make sure you become a part of our exciting expedition into the AI future, because if you don't, we might not have the next opportunity anytime soon. Click the link below to book your spot at our AI Discovery Tour. Get ready to be surprised and open your mind. And I will meet you at your AI Discovery Tour in Silicon Valley.